Hello everyone, this is Jessica Krasian, Strategic Account Manager for Softmart, and this is your IT 2-minute warning. And this is just going to be one of many posts about the Microsoft 2013 product releases that I'm sure I will be giving to you, because as information becomes available to me, I want to make sure I pass them along to you. So 2012 obviously saw a ton of different product lines come out equipped with tons of licensing changes, some of them positive, some of them really scary. So we saw SQL and System Center, Windows Server, and Windows 8 that's soon to be released this month. And coming in 2013 is more on the other side of the house, on the desktop side of the house. So we're going to see Office, we're going to see Exchange, we're going to see Lync, and we're going to see SharePoint release in 2013. So already we're starting to uncover some of the changes that are going to come with those releases. And I showed you a couple of those with the forefront changes, because there's going to be some integration that comes out in the 2013 releases that's going to include forefronts. It's not going to be purchased as individual products. They're going to be included in the product set at the server level. So one of the other things that's coming that we just recently heard about from the 2013 release is the idea behind external connectors. So the ability to have folks outside of your organization connect into your servers is going to become a thing of the past, right? So originally, you would have to license a Windows Server external connector, which is going to continue to be something you'll need to account for if you do have folks from outside of your organization hitting your servers. But originally, you also had to have an external connector, or it's what's called SharePoint for Internet sites and things like that, that you would have to buy additional licensing so that you could have an outward-facing website or things like that. So keep in mind, from a licensing perspective, up until those releases happening, those external connectors still exist. But when the 2013 product cycle releases, there's going to be some embedded functionality for the external connectors. So SharePoint, Exchange, Lync, none of those are going to require an external connector. Only the Windows Server will require the connector. Now on the SQL side, keep in mind, if you're using that as the database behind those external sites, or anything that's being pushed out to end users outside of your organization, the core model for SQL allows for unlimited users. Okay, so that's what you're going to want to look at it from the server side. Okay, so like I said, this is just one of many announcements on the 2013, but this is going to get you started. This is Jessica Krasian, your IT 2-minute warning. Thanks.